Hey everybody, it's me again. I wanted to share with you the Winter Dreams add-on that will coordinate with my full Winter Dreams kit. Both are in the shop right now, but if you want to get the pre-order for this, there is a pre-order where I will print and cut this for you. And you would like to add on that, you can in this link here, the Winter Dreams link. You'll have an option of just getting this kit or with this kit with the add-on. So if you want this part to go with it for an extra $5, just click that on, and I will also print and cut this for you. So just so you know, that coordinates, these two go together, and it's just a bit of an extension. I kind of thought I was done with Christmas doodling and kits for the shop, but I was bored one day and drew the unicorn and Santa, and then it led to all these other characters. So I had drawn 6 new characters, and I stopped there and just kind of use them in these designs. So you're going to get backgrounds here, a couple of sheets of card, 4x6 cards, a collage sheet. You'll also get the silhouette cut file. So if you buy the digital version of this, you'll get the silhouette cut file. For the digital version, you'll get everything you see here, including these white background images. This, and this come with a pattern background or a colored background. The unicorn and Santa is the only one that's just that one file. And in the pre-order, I'm not going to print out these white backgrounds except for the unicorn and Santa. So in the and I'll show you what you'll get printed right here. So just so you know that the digital, you'll get all of this, plus you'll get these guys loose images as JPEGs. They're all going to be JPEGs, and then you're going to get that one silhouette cut file of this sheet right here. So you'll get that. And for the pre-order, what you're going to get, not this, but you're going to get the 6 images already cut up for you, and I'll show you a little better in a second. You will get these cards, which I will have cut for you as well. I just used my cutter, so these are going to be already cut for you too. And then these backgrounds, which you're only going to get 1, which is the unicorn and Santa, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 backgrounds or planner covers, whatever you want to do with them. These 6 cards, which will already be cut, and these 6. So 666, that's not a good number. These, okay, so I'm going to show you in better detail now. The printable version, the download, these guys are going to come by themselves in like a little square with a background. So it's going to have a white background. You're going to get the collage sheet with all these guys on there, minus these black marks. Those are the registration marks for the silhouette cameo. So you'll get the silhouette cut file, which is going to look like this one with the registration marks. So okay, so I think I covered everything, and again, it coordinates with my previous kit that I showed you. And if you buy the 2, this is not going to be sold separately as a pre-order, but it will be sold separately as a downloadable file. So again, I'll just show you the cut versions of these. So there's 6 images that I drew, and look at how cute he is. And here is the unicorn and Santa. You can make him like this way, or make him sitting up a little more. This is a tree, a Christmas tree cupcake with a face and a bow. And the llama, I had to draw a llama. Get my glasses on. And this is a mercaticorn. I couldn't think of the name of this. Mercaticorn holding the Christmas star and the cactus. And these guys might show up later on for different themes or different holidays. Except for the Santa, I'll have to draw a unicorn without him. So those are the 6 images, and then here are the cards. These are, if you print them without the borders, they're going to be 4 by 6, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, mine is a little shorter than that. So what you're going to get is something slightly shorter because my laser adds a border to it. So it'll be a little bit shorter than that, but not much. So fa la 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 ma. Okay, where was I? I said fa la 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 llama. Anyway, and then we have the cactus here who's all decked out, looking sharp this holiday. And then the cute cupcake that just says sweet. I just love these. I can't wait to cut these out. Again, if you get the pre-order, I'm going to have these already cut out for you, ready to use. And then the second sheet is the other 3 images on their backgrounds, and it says they do exist. Yeah, it makes me think of the M&M's commercial, except for there's a unicorn involved in this one. Got the Mercaticorn Dreams and Keep Calm and Have a Cupcake. So yeah, some of these you don't need to use them for Christmas, so you know, winter, whatever. And then here are our papers. Again, I do use a laser for these things, so there will be a white border. It's not a true 8.5 by 11 sheet, just so you know. If you use these in your planners, it won't matter because you will be cutting that down. But here we have the blue with blue hearts and the cupcakes in just different directions. This one I believe is also with the white background, so that you can print on vellum if you would like. Kind of see right there. So, or you can just print it with the white background. If you get the printable version, you just won't get the hearts. It will be white background with just cupcakes. The cactus also comes with the white background, as you can see here, if you choose. Otherwise, the pre-order will come like this. Really cute. And then the Mercaticorns, and yes, that one I also have with just a white background. Super cute. I really made these more for the planner in me, but I'm sure you can use these in your scrapbooking, like making cards and stuff. So over here, what I did is I paired up the llamas, like 2 llamas together looking at each other, or almost like they're gonna kiss each other. And then put in some of these. Again, this coordinates with the Winter Dreams, which these things are in there. And then the blue background. And this does come the blue in a white, so you can print that out with a white background. This one here does not come. Oh no, I'm sorry, it does. There is a white background version of it, and it's the cupcakes, and they just look like they're dancing. And on this cupcake, I did put a poinsettia there. I put a little dash of red. More on the what's that color, red? I forgot. And then this is the one that doesn't come with a color at all. This is the way it is, and it is the unicorn with Santa, and then there's some stars in between. They're pleated stars actually. So this just comes as is. So you can print this one out on vellum as it is. So this is the kit. Again, a couple of options here. You can buy the digital version, so you can print it as often as you want. It will have the one cut file if you have a Silhouette machine. Otherwise, you will get just this sheet like this where you can cut them out, or individual pieces that you can print and cut. And then for the add-on to your pre-order, you'll have to go to this link in the shop, and then you can actually just choose kit with add-on for an extra $5. Alright, so thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.